You see those jaw-dropping travel photos and think, I can't afford that. I used to think the same, until I found 10 hacks that saved me thousands on my dream trip. In this video, I'll give you the exact blueprint to make your 2026 adventure happen, from dirt-cheap flights to luxury stays for less. Get ready, these aren't your parents' travel tips. Welcome back to Explore with Meg, your guide to smarter, easier, and more affordable travel. Let's dive in and save you a fortune. Hack number 1, be flexible. Flexibility is the single most powerful tool in your travel arsenal, and it can make the difference between an expensive, stressful trip and an affordable, unforgettable adventure. When you approach travel with an open mind and a willingness to adapt, you unlock a world of possibilities that most people never even consider. Here's what most travelers do. They pick a destination, lock in their dates, and then get frustrated when they see sky-high prices for flights and hotels. It's a common trap, one that leads to disappointment, overspending, or even canceling the trip altogether. But what if you flip the script? What if, instead of letting your plans dictate your budget, you let your budget shape your plans? That's where tools like Google Flights and Skyscanner's Explore feature come in. Instead of searching for specific flights on set dates, use these platforms to see a map of the world and the cheapest places you can fly to from your home airport. You'll be amazed at the deals that pop up, sometimes to destinations you never even considered. Let the cheapest destinations and dates guide you, and you'll find yourself traveling more often, for less money, and with a greater sense of adventure. For example, I once scored a round-trip flight to Southeast Asia for under $500, simply by letting price be my guide. I didn't have my heart set on a specific country or city. I just wanted to explore somewhere new. By being open to different options, I was able to stretch my travel budget further than I ever thought possible, and I ended up having the trip of a lifetime. Another powerful flexibility hack is booking open-jaw tickets, flying into one city and out of another. This not only saves you money on backtracking, but also lets you see more places in a single trip. For example, you could fly into Paris and out of Rome, exploring the best of Europe in between. Sometimes, these open-jaw routes are even cheaper than round-trip tickets, especially if you're willing to mix and match airlines or airports. The key is to avoid locking yourself into one rigid plan. The more flexible you are with your dates, destinations, and even your airports, the more opportunities you'll find. If you're willing to travel midweek instead of on weekends, or fly out of a nearby city instead of your home airport, you can save hundreds of dollars. Sometimes, a little spontaneity leads to the best stories and the biggest savings. Remember, the world is huge, and travel deals are everywhere. There are always new places to discover and incredible bargains waiting for those who are open to them. Don't get stuck thinking there's only one way to travel or one place to go. The more you explore, the more you realize how many options you truly have. So, let the deals guide you, not the other way around. Make it a game. See where your budget can take you this month, or challenge yourself to find the best deal to a place you've never been. You'll be surprised at how far your money can go when you let flexibility lead the way. Adopting this single mindset shift, prioritizing flexibility over fixed plans, is the true foundation of budget travel. It's not just about saving money, it's about opening yourself up to new experiences, unexpected adventures, and a world of possibilities. So next time you plan a trip, remember, flexibility isn't just a hack, it's your ticket to seeing more of the world for less. Next, ditch checked bags. Those fees add up fast. Invest in packing cubes and compression bags to fit everything in a carry-on. Build a capsule wardrobe, a few neutral basics, a couple of colorful pieces, and you're set for weeks. Roll your clothes, use every inch and skip the baggage carousel. You'll save money, time, and never worry about lost luggage. Packing light is freedom, and it's easier than you think. Master this, and you're already traveling smarter than most. Hack 3. Stop defaulting to expensive hotels. It's easy to fall into the habit of booking the first big-name hotel you see, especially when you're tired or in a rush to finalize your plans. But if you want to travel more and spend less, it's time to rethink where you stay. The truth is, hotels often charge a premium for convenience and brand recognition, but that doesn't always mean you're getting the best value for your money. Modern hostels have completely transformed the travel experience. Forget the old stereotypes. Today's hostels offer private rooms with ensuite bathrooms, fully equipped kitchens where you can cook your own meals, and vibrant common areas that make it easy to meet fellow travelers from around the world. You'll often find free Wi-Fi, laundry facilities, and even organized events or tours. All of this comes at a fraction of the price of a standard hotel room, making hostels a smart choice for solo travelers, couples, and even families. Vacation rentals, especially those located just outside the main tourist hotspots, can dramatically reduce your accommodation costs. Not only do you get more space and privacy, but you also have the chance to live like a local. Shop at neighborhood markets, cook your own meals, and discover hidden gems that most tourists miss. Plus, staying in a residential area often means quieter nights and a more authentic experience. Here's a pro tip: always call hotels directly before booking online. Many hotels are willing to offer a better rate or throw in perks like free breakfast or parking if you book with them directly, rather than through a third-party site. It never hurts to ask. And you might be surprised by how much you can save with a simple phone call. And don't forget about hotel points from travel credit cards. If you use a card that earns travel rewards, you could rack up enough points for free nights, room upgrades, or other perks. Sometimes, a single sign-up bonus is enough to cover several nights' accommodation, turning what would have been a major expense into a free or deeply discounted stay. Paying full price for a hotel should always be your last resort. There are almost always deals, discounts, or alternative options available if you're willing to look. Compare prices across different platforms, check for last-minute deals, and don't be afraid to negotiate or ask for extras. There are smarter, cheaper ways to stay, whether it's a hostel, a vacation rental, or a well-negotiated hotel room. By rethinking your accommodations, you can stretch your travel budget further and enjoy more adventures along the way. Hack 4. Let's dive into the world of, basically, free travel. You might have heard stories about people jet-setting across the globe, staying in fancy hotels and flying in business class, all without breaking the bank. It sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the secret. Free flights and hotels aren't just a myth or something reserved for influencers and millionaires. With the right strategy, you can unlock these perks too. The key to this travel hack is all about travel credit cards. These aren't just regular cards, they're your ticket to earning points and miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and more. The magic starts with sign-up bonuses. Many travel cards offer huge bonuses, sometimes enough for a round-trip flight, just for meeting a minimum spend in the first few months. To maximize your rewards, use your card for everyday purchases, groceries, gas, streaming services, even your morning coffee. Just remember, always pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. That way, you're earning free travel without paying extra. Cards with transferable points, like Chase Ultimate Rewards, American Express Membership Rewards, or Capital One Miles, give you the flexibility to transfer your points to dozens of airline and hotel partners. This means you can shop around for the best deals and stretch your points even further. Every time you swipe your card, you're building up a stash of points. Over time, these points can add up to free flights, hotel nights, or even upgrades to first class. Imagine booking a luxury hotel or a long-haul flight for just the cost of taxes and fees. Sometimes, a single sign-up bonus is enough to cover a round-trip flight to Europe or a weekend at a 5-star resort. It's like getting a vacation for free, just by being smart with your spending. The best part? You're already spending this money on everyday essentials. By putting those purchases on the right card, you're turning routine expenses into unforgettable adventures. Why not get rewarded for what you're already doing? This is how travel pros and savvy adventurers explore the world for a fraction of the cost. With a little planning and the right credit card strategy, you can make your travel dreams a reality without draining your bank account. So, are you ready to start your journey toward basically free travel? Hack 5. Eat like a local, not a tourist. Walk 5 blocks from any tourist hotspot and you'll find better, cheaper food. Make lunch your main meal. Prix Fix menus are a steal. Research cheap eats before you go and save them to your map. Consider a food tour on day 1 for insider tips and hidden gems. Skip the overpriced, bland tourist traps. Your taste buds and wallet will thank you. Hack 6. Skip taxis, master public transit. Most airports have cheap trains or buses to the city center. Grab a multi-day transit pass for unlimited rides and freedom to explore. Walk, rent bikes, or hop on ferries for a real local experience. Download offline maps so you're never lost. Even without data, mixing transit types saves money and makes your trip more memorable. Getting around smartly is part of the adventure. Hack 7. Don't get burned by roaming fees. Use an eSIM. Buy a cheap data plan online before you go and activate it instantly when you land. One plan can cover multiple countries, saving you time and hassle. If your phone doesn't support eSIM, get it unlocked and buy a local SIM in the city, not at the airport. Staying connected is essential for maps, bookings, and translation. Ditch expensive roaming. There's a smarter, cheaper way. In 2026, eSIMs are the travel game changer. Hack 8. Plan your activities for max value. Start with free experiences, walking tours, parks, viewpoints, and markets. Book paid attractions online in advance for discounts and to skip lines. Look for unique local experiences, cooking classes, tastings, or Airbnb experiences. Consider city passes, but only if they actually save you money. Build your itinerary around value, not just price. Smart planning means more fun for less. Hack 9. Track your spending with a travel budgeting app. Log every expense, coffee, souvenirs, everything. Apps like Trail Wallet or Trebi Pocket show you exactly where your money's going. Use digital envelopes for categories like food, transport, and fun. When a pocket's empty, you know it's time to slow down. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about control and peace of mind. 5 minutes a day can save you hundreds. Hack 10. How you pay can make or break your budget. Use cards with zero foreign transaction fees. Don't pay that hidden 3% tax. Get local cash from ATMs, not airport exchanges, and always choose to pay in the local currency. Never travel with just one card. Bring backups, and keep them separate. The right payment strategy can save you hundreds. Don't let fees eat your savings. This is the final boss of budget travel. Beat it. There you have it, 10 real hacks to make your dream trip possible in 2026. Use these tools, travel smarter, and spend your money on memories, not fees. What's your top travel hack? Drop it in the comments, and happy travels!